So the waterfalls of the tributaries of the Minnesota are these nick points that are held up by bedrock. And they don't occur everywhere, but where there's bedrock close to the surface, you're going to get beautiful waterfalls as the tributaries descend into the Minnesota River Valley. So you can think of them in Minneopa State Park, Minneopa Falls. There's tributaries in Blue Earth and Nicollet counties that have waterfalls. Farther south on the Minnesota River, they're held up by the indurated top of the Jordan sandstone.